Meet the new Lenlok sliding screen door lock. The Lenlok sliding screen door lock is self-latching with key deadlocking and an internal snib. It accepts common screen door lock cylinders such as the Lenlok LPL5 and Carbine CPL5 cylinders, so keying it into an existing system is easy. It retrofits common sliding screen door models. Old lockout, Lenlok in, job done. Add the 3-point locking kit for full height security, connecting straight through the lock and operating from a single key turn. And it's built to last. The Lenlok sliding screen door lock is in-house tested to meet the requirements of Australian Standard AS 4145.2, including 100,000 latching cycles, 80,000 key locking cycles, and a 240-hour salt spray test. Available in black and white, with strike plates and packers to suit. The Lenlok sliding screen door lock. Simple to fit, easy to key, proven to perform. Available now on Daveweb.